All right. How to clean a polished wheel, very simple. Rinse it off. Diablo, I think it's Renegade makes this product, I believe. Right on there. Spray it on there. I always spray it on there really good. Let it sit for, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. They're not that dirty, so shouldn't take long. Rinse it off. Regular car soap, microfiber sponge, clean the wheel. Go with the grain of the polished wheel, so you don't get it, in case you get any scratches or anything. Rinse it off. I try to dry it off real quick too. I got a leaf blower that I use. Blow it off and wipe it off. That's it. That simple. Drying towel. That's it. I mean, they were pretty clean before. Just kind of maintain them best you can in the wintertime. They need polished, but they're not too bad. Try to dry them off as quick as you can just so you don't get water spots. That's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Later.